Hi everyone. Sorry for some delay. Just waiting everyone to join. Hello Kanhaiya. Hi Vimal. Hello. Avanti. Hello Neha. Sorry the session has. Hi Shivani. So I just want to apologize first that we got a little delay. Dr. Simal Soin, who was supposed to who is joining us as the skin expert. Hi Bianca. Hi Rimple. So she had to go for an emergency, so we had to push the live for half an hour. Hope I didn't make you wait for very long. And I'm just waiting her to join. So Dr. Simal Soin is one of the very famous dermatologists in Delhi, and she has a beautiful derma clinic in in central of the Delhi. And I have been recommending lots of my brides also, sending to her. I go myself for my monthly treatment or clear lift or hydrofacial, which I love taking because hydrofacial is an oxygen infusion into the skin, and I regularly go there for my hydrofacial. And I suggest all my brides who has little problematic dry skin, because hydrofacial instantly brings the glow to the face. It is called, like in Hollywood, it is called red carpet facial also. So I recommend that to all my brides to go to Dr. Simal's clinic. Also, she is expert at lots of other things, lots of skin treatment. She has very advanced level. She has laser treatments, she has laser lifts, and invasive and non-invasive, those kind of anti-aging treatment she has. And recently she has come up with something about hair loss, and I am meeting and hearing lots of people complaining about the hair loss. So I'm very much looking forward to speak to her about what is exactly, she will elaborate on that what exactly she's doing. She's amazing person, very warm, and she just takes care of you once you go to her. So I'm going to ask a couple of questions. Guys, if you have any question, if you want me to ask something, please shoot your questions here and I'll be asking her. Just waiting for her to join. 8:30 she should be here. Hi Rimple. You're missing your hair in Delhi, Rimple. So any questions you have? Hi Shivani. Hello Mintu, Ramneek, Divyansha, how are you? Meeting my daughter on live. Sukhi, hello. Hello. Please shoot your question about all the skin queries or anything, any skin issues you have, or just keep it here because I will be asking all your questions from Dr. Simal. She will be joining us very soon. I'm waiting for her to join me. And who else is there? Mahima, hi. Neha, hello. Shikha, hello. How are you? Miss you too, Divyansha. Can't wait to see you. Which lip color are you wearing? Oh my god. Everybody has this question whenever I'm on live, that what lip color. Generally I mix and create the colors. So I have something, I think this one is from Nykaa. Some nude colors from Nykaa has sent me some of the colors. This one is that. It's little peachy pink. Yeah, it suits me. So I don't really, when it comes to makeup, honestly speaking, I don't look at the brand, or I look at the brand for sure sometime, but not always. If something just strikes my eyes, I pick it up without seeing. I will just test a lip color, or I will just see the texture of the lipstick or a foundation or anything I pick up. I feel it first on my hand or on my skin, and then I buy it. If it looks smooth, it looks like, lugs, I will just pick it up. Hello Pallavi. My makeup today, thank you. Just some concealer, little blusher, and the nude lip color. So we are waiting here for Dr. Simal. Any questions you have right now before Dr. Simal joins me? Just ask me anything. I've come live after very, very long. I was really busy last few days with lots of work. And so this is going, this is like after, I think almost after a month I have come live. Checking the questions. Yeah. I have, skin is fine, but I have pigmentation, Naina, and I have just applied little concealer on my cheeks. So this is, I'm sweating also, although the AC is behind me, but still, there's this light on my face which is giving, kind of glow. Actually, not my skin, it's more of the light and my little bit sweat on my face. Hello Vikash. Harshita, hi. I'm just waiting for Dr. Simal to join me. How to choose best foundation on client with different skin types. Okay, so as a professional, when you have the clients and you are a professional, you should just buy at least 4 shades of a foundation. You should buy either it's a liquid or it's a cream or it's a powder. You should have at least 4 shades which you can mix, and you can just choose. I'll just come back to Neha is asking, when are you planning to come to Delhi? I'm in Delhi, Neha. I'm very much in Delhi. Best primers for winter. It has to be hydrating primer. And okay, Dr. Simmer is there. Let me just. So best primer for winter has to be hydrating and glowing primer. So any hydrating primer will be good. Hi, Dr. Simal.
Hello, Anu. How are you? What a pleasure to be here. I was listening to all your makeup tips. I'm practically makeupless, so I need some nice advice for makeup. So it's great to be with you.
Look like you're makeupless. Your cheeks are glowing.
Yeah, that's only the blusher there. I mean, not your nice layers of shiny makeup I'd like to have, but I was rushing. So just came quickly some powder and some blusher and some lipstick.
Perfect. So you have to go somewhere quickly on an emergency, right, Dr. Simal?
But all good.
Okay, now. All right. I was just telling them that
how. Yeah, you carry on. Finish your.
No. I was just. So Dr. Simal is here. I'm so happy to have you here, and pleasure. I was telling that how brilliant you are, and how I go for my clear lips and my Hydra facial, which is the best for having the instant, glow on your face. All these things I was talking about it. And
coming from somebody like you who's a makeup artist and who can actually hide, it means a lot. Saying that means a lot.
No, but it's more important. I think the skin is more important than the makeup. Makeup coverage can happen, but makeup will look like a makeup. So if you have clean skin, it makes job much easier for us as a makeup artist. So we try to create skin using less makeup, and less makeup will be possible only when the skin is good. So that's why it's very important.
I want to put 1 or 2 more lights on here. Just give me one.
Yeah, sure. Can I use Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder in shade 330 Toffee as contouring my face? Yes. Toffee is a warmer shade. You can contour your face with that. Mm-hmm. Naila Shah is asking, where is your clinic?
So we have 2 clinics in Delhi. One is in Mehrauli, in Ambabata one, near Qutub Minar. The other one is in Khan Market.
Okay. And they are like superbly, like beautifully done up studios. I am so frequent to their place. So I'm just, enjoy every time.
And we are definitely, we really admire you for all the sophisticated makeup that you do and how good people look when, the makeup so natural. So I saw a lovely picture that you done of one of the actresses, Chitrangda, and I said to Anu, I need to have makeup like this for the next time that we are going out. And, it's really so elegant and nice. Can't tell.
Yeah, that was Indian look on Chitrangda. Generally, she keeps it very glamorous. So I put Gajra and kohl, and it was Indian look. I remember you have sent me that you want to do this makeup. I said, sure.
So for me, good skin is skin without makeup. Like, I mean, eventually I feel that's the goal of everybody. Of course, for weddings and evenings out,
Yeah.
we all have to have good makeup. But
Yeah.
eventually, good skin is skin which looks great without makeup. And that's the goal of a lot of people.
Everyone, even for makeup artists, we can cover it, but we like to see the good skin. It's such a cakewalk working on a good skin. So we
And
aim
your
always target for the good skin. So I'm
and
going
our
to ask a lot
makeup coverage is
about,
also makeup coverage would also be easier and better, isn't it? If you have
yeah.
better skin.
Imagine on a dry or patchy skin applying a makeup. It'll be more
Yeah,
patchy, more
it'll be more
cakey.
patchy. Of course,
Yeah.
of course.
Well hydrated, flawless skin, and the makeup will just glide smoothly on that.
Oh wow, wow, that's amazing.
So yes, so I'm going to ask you. So first, I have given the introduction about Dr. Simal, that how it's been like more than I think 10-15 years we have known each other.
We've known each other, true.
So I want to ask you. So you have started. How long ago you started, Aina?
Aina, we started in May of 2014, Anu, and it's been very nice. It's been a beautiful journey because we have a large team of fabulous doctors, therapists, managers who do some great work. And
Yeah.
people come from now all across the globe to have treatments with us in terms of, you know, we do very fine work. And even following, so the difference I think that we make with our clinic is that everything that makes you look and feel good is under one roof. So we have hair loss solutions, you have clinical dermatology, cosmetic dermatology, like you're treating acne, acne scars, rosacea, pigmentation. You have anti-aging, where you treat sagging skin, you know, jawline, drooping corners of the mouth.
Yeah,
That's fine
that's
lines and wrinkles, your fine lines and wrinkles in the corners of your eyes, your forehead, all of that. And then we'll do weight loss. So weight loss is again a very popular, you know, it's becoming very popular because of the way that we do it. And then we have the semi-permanent makeup, which is sort of down your line, but it's again a lot of artistry needed for it.
I want to ask you. You have the microblading for the brows. You do?
Yes, we do nanoblading. We do nanoblading with micropigmentation, which is a far superior technique to microblading, because microblading uses a blade where you have multiple blades that go. So that's sort of very intense. This is nanoblading is just hair by hair stroke. So, and it's a needle which doesn't cause any bleeding, and it just goes in and deposits the plant product pigment in the skin. So it's not tattoos. They're all plant pigments. We get them from Germany. And it's been very popular because I think what is nice is people feel that, you know, you can go for 2 years without basically making a brow.
Wow, that's amazing. This is, you know, for everyone out there, all the audience or all the, you know, you should know that microblading used to be a technique to do the eyebrows. Some people who has the scars in the brows or they have thin brows, you can, because brows are really, for me as a makeup artist, brows are so important because
yes,
literally frames your face. If your brows are droopy, your face will look droopy. So first thing when I do a makeup, I do the brows. So that's why I'm asking. It's a great, you know, I'm so happy to hear that you have more advanced version of.
Yeah, because I'll tell you why. Because like you say, whatever else you can do, all the Botox, the fillers, the thamajas, but if you don't have good brows,
yes,
you don't look good. So they're a sign of beauty. That's what we tell everybody. In fact, people just come and they don't even realize that they need it, you see.
Yeah.
And tell them, you know, like whatever else you do or you don't do your brows.
You know, that's what, when I do the face and suddenly I'll do one side brows and it'll just lift up the face. So this is, brows are so important. So this is for someone who has less brows or they want like little more, you know, enhanced brows according to the face shape. They should just be taking note of this. And I will really.
And then we do medical pedicures, which is another very special treatment that we use. I don't think you've tried that with us, but you must.
I think a friend of mine, she has come and she was praising about it. Yeah.
So we had in fact, when I was in clinic, we had a foreigner walk in and she said, wow, I love this. And, you know, the girls are lovely and this treatment's amazing. So it's a waterless pedicure, because we know that as dermatologists, water pedicures cause a lot of fungal infections over a period of time. And this is done with emu oils, and it's very special because it's done with tools. So it takes care of all your corns, callosities, and normally only podiatrists do it. So our people are trained in London.
Okay.
So, you know, so all of this stuff. And then we have like a hair thing I already talked about. So everything that makes you look and feel good is under one roof, essentially.
So what was the actually concept of Aina, bringing everything under one roof, all
One
the
roof.
beauty
So
that
everything that makes you look and feel good under one roof. That's
yeah,
it.
that's
So
that's
you
so
can,
important.
and also I think that was one. Also, just when you look at people, so you want to evaluate them holistically. You have somebody who comes with bad acne, PCOD, they've got
Yeah,
weight gain. So you can't, you send somebody to some person, somebody to you. So you don't treat in parts. You're a dermatologist, so you treat their acne, but you
yeah,
also have weight loss and you assess your hormonal profile, but you also have weight loss, so you can also address that in the same issue, in the same time frame, you see. So that's
hmm,
the advantage of having everything. So you don't need to go, like now the bridal season's upon us
yeah,
every year. So I've just
yeah,
consulted a bride on the phone when I was coming, and she said she wanted to do a treatment for a hair loss, she wanted to do for a stomach, and she wanted to do for her face. So she's going to come
yeah.
and do everything together, and her laser hair reduction. So
I
that's a,
know so many of my brides come to you and they come back so happy and
oh,
confident about
thank you.
you.
That's very sweet. Thank you for saying that.
Also, I want to tell everyone, Dr. Sibyl is the number one when it comes to
Oh,
aging. Nobody does better than her. I
oh,
can swear.
I like that. You're so sweet, Anu. Thamaj, yes, Thamaj has been like my baby since I started. I was the first person to start Thamaj in India. So I've stuck to it. I haven't let gone to therapy, any of the other treatments. And it's really good because I now find that people who've been doing it for years look younger now than they did about 10 years back. Because
Yeah.
what do you find with Thamaj?
I found it like you can see my skin.
Yeah, I look amazing.
55 now in September. So I think it worked, and you can see my jawline and everything. Although I'm taking care of my skin during this lockdown, because I'm not exposed to too much sun, and we are most of the time lockdown, and you taking all the right vitamins and all those things. And I was waiting when the clinic open, I'll come to you, but I will be visiting very soon. We just got back to work 15 days ago. I really want to understand how was pandemic for you as a, how
So
was it for
pandemic, we've been open for 3 months, and it was interesting because the moment we opened, everybody came rushing for their Botox and fillers, so which taught
wow,
me a lot of things. One, that people do it for themselves, not for others. So that
not
was a big learning. So everybody wants to look, they get used to looking a certain way. They came for their thermage, their fillers, their laser reduction, but also both fillers and Botox always. So it's very interesting, right? Because they get used to a certain look and they want to keep it. And we do very natural results. And a lip filler, you got a mask there, but everybody's on lip fillers. I don't know if they are on Zoom or whatever, but
yeah.
so that's why. So it's worked very well. We are open. We've been open for 3 months, and we are very super safe. So
Hmm.
everybody who comes says, in fact, I had a friend today who came and she says, my God, I feel like really safe here because we've
Hmm.
got our safety precautions in place. We've even changed the filters to, accommodate all the thing.
Okay.
Everybody's wearing
Yeah.
PPE. It's very safe.
So, well, it has increased our job everywhere, but then it has become very important to maintain.
Important. It's increased our job. You're absolutely right. And we are wasting paper but this is the time. So you just got to safety over everything else, I think.
Yeah, true, true. So also I want to ask you, there is, the season coming ahead, the bridal season is
Yeah.
coming ahead, and for all the brides and everyone who is joined us here, I want them to know that any specific, although I know, but for them to know that any specific treatment suggest for the grooms and the brides right now in this time when everybody is in. I have big concerns. Some of the bridal bookings started coming. Now it's full on, like the November, December is going to be busy. There is heavy saya, and so there is a weight gain issue with the brides,
We are
and I
we are
want
we are addressing that. So interestingly, a lot of the brides who are coming, all of them are saying the same thing. So they want to get rid of their excess bulges and have a nicely contoured body. That we are doing, and little more. So the difference that we make, I told with the weight loss program, is we work on three things. We'll work on fat loss, we'll work on skin tightening, and we'll work on muscle toning. All of the three things together, and through
can you
very
just
nice.
a little more on the process, how much time, how long they have to start
So,
coming for that.
ideally about 2 to 3 months before.
This is
And
this
we were,
sculpt you are talking about, right?
sculpt is one of the things which we use for muscle toning. But then we've got other devices which will, improve your lymphatic drainage, make you feel much lighter, improve your circulation, all of that. So ideally, it's nice to start about 3 months before. And that's the same for laser hair reduction. So most people who come will start their laser hair reduction, their body treatments, and even their facials. Means now medical facials is the thing, right? Nobody does the other facials so much. And especially so medical facials, which will cleanse, exfoliate, hydrate, all of that stuff. Then lasers for improving your pores, pigmentation. Then a lot of people sometimes have square faces when they are younger. They want to look more oval. So then doing a couple of our lifting treatments or a slight contouring with the filler with that. So all of that, but ideally it'd be nice they came as soon as possible, because then they come to their best results. Otherwise it's a big rush. And I think people are intelligent. They understand, because we were getting people as soon as the lockdown opened. They just said, I'm getting married in November. And I meet 5-6 brides every day who say they want to come and get ready for the November-December wedding. So it's quite amazing how many people are there for how many weddings are happening.
And can you please elaborate, like how much one should expect from the weight loss program?
So a lot of inch loss, feeling lighter, and you can do it in any area. For example, the thighs, the calves, the stomach, the flanks.
So it can requirement of the area.
Absolutely. Love handles, arms. Some people have they have bigger
arms.
Arms. Yeah, arms. And then the back rolls and love handles. So everything. And so the nice thing about our weight loss program is it's unique because it combines the lifestyle changes and no dieting with these treatments. And they're very comforting and nice. So people who do it with us actually have been doing it, and they continue to do it for years because they love it. Although even though they reach the optimal results, but they feel like, let's do it.
Yeah. Okay. And one more concern everyone is having, I think lots of stress, people staying home, lockdown, and lots of restriction on the life, is the hair loss is another concern. And I think you have it for the hair loss. What exactly is it?
Yes, we've got a new treatment for hair loss, which only we are doing in North India, which is very nice because we call it Aina Hair Regrow, because it's a combination of 5-6 plant growth factors, which is made by a plastic surgeon in Mumbai, and it's FDA approved for the US and India, and tiny injections into the scalp, but just like little watery fluid done in 5 minutes, and even in one session you find that your hair loss goes away, and in 2-3 sessions you'll find that the density of the hair starts getting better. And it's a very easy, simple treatment. People are loving it even in one session. It doesn't involve, like PRPs also we've done it, but it doesn't involve the whole blood drawing and there's no pain involved. And honestly, 8 sessions, and that's what's recommended, but people are just loving
once a month 8 sessions you recommend for that. Okay. Wow, this is good, because most of the even the young girls, they are having this baldness over this area.
In fact, I've just met 2 people today who have this baldness here, because this is item, and this is a family history thing. So it's androgenetic alopecia, so you've got to catch it quick. Especially men can't do hair transplants, and even in men they don't want to do it at such a young age. But the other thing is, even if you do hair transplants, you've still got to do these treatments, because the hair transplants means it's not a cure. It's just like a symptomatic relief, but that area, the physiology still remains the same. The circulating hormone still stays the same. So to just improve that, we've got to make sure that, we continue this treatment. And it's really nice. People who, we are ourselves quite amazed at how good the results are.
Yeah, that's really, because hair loss, even my daughter, she's very young, she's about 23, but she has this area. I will definitely, she's coming soon from Bombay, so I'll bring and visit for the hair loss. Sure. And anything you have about the hair loss we spoke about, is the hair loss will be helping even the age plus aging hair loss, because
for everybody from any age, from 18 to 65, 70, for everybody.
Oh, for everyone.
For everybody, because we don't only do a treatment, we'll also give a combination of certain products, maybe an oral, then something topical to apply. So it's a combination of, and the difference we make is also, it's everything's very customized, Anu. So
Yeah.
everything's customized. One size can't fit all. So you make a separate plan for somebody. Somebody might have open pores, somebody might have pigment, somebody will have oily skin, somebody will have dry skin. So everybody has different requirements.
Yeah,
Then
absolutely.
we do lovely medical facials. One is a Hydra facial, then we do Ina collagen facial, which is very popular. So this is a new thing. This you haven't had, so you must come and try this. This is really lovely.
Okay.
So,
All.
you know,
So there is a question from Neha. She's saying, Doctor, I have delivered my daughter a year ago and I have left with lots of pigmentation, which makes me look dark, though I'm already a dusky complexion.
oh, so then you must have melasma, because melasma is a condition which typically happens in people because of hormonal reasons, usually during pregnancy and, you know, all of those conditions. So that's why it's just nice for you to come in and address it, whether, you know, initially with creams you can give, or sometimes we need treatments. We will do a combination of 2-3 things. Then we'll do micro needling, which will deposit products deeper into the skin and throw the pigment actively out of the skin.
Okay. So Neha, you have to visit Dr. Simal and she will see you and will be able to suggest you what is exactly.
You can send us, yeah, send us a message on, you can send, I don't know how to put the numbers on this. I'm just going to, but you can just check out Anna. It will be okay with you.
Put the number. We have the, I will just add the number end of the session. I will just add it. You can take the numbers from there to contact.
Okay.
Some skin care tips. This is Shasha is asking, no, Alisha is asking some skincare tips for a model.
Oh, skincare tips for a model. You need to have great glowing skin. I met a model the other day. So you got to make sure that you protect your skin from the sun. You have to have free because the sun and the outside environment causes a lot of free radical damage to the skin. So use a probiotic cream for the skin. Use a vitamin C for the skin. If you're young, it's just nice to have that protection. Use a good moisturizer at night. Use a good AHA, alpha hydroxy, beta hydroxy acid face wash if you have oily skin. And make sure you wear sunscreen. I mean, you know, you cannot emphasize the importance of a sunscreen. And use a good product, like you sometimes can make a nice supplement which has collagen and some other nice products in it which will help your skin.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. All right. So now I want to ask you about, you know, lots of my clients are like, you know, they look forward for the anti-aging treatment, anything, although you have specifically told me about a couple of them, but something more. I take Thermage from you. I've taken like, I think twice, and I'm very happy with that. So it's one for a busy person.
Treatment.
I'm very busy and don't get time always to be there, you know, every month going there when you keep busy for a professional. So I think that makes it okay. You have taken once in a year, or once in 1.5 years, and it lasts, you know, you are happy with your skin for some time. So what else you have other than the Thermals for anti-aging?
So we
have talk invasing, we know the Botox and fillers and everything.
Anu, but even the Botox fillers we do are done separately. For an older person, they are more for lifting and for, you know, we never fill with Botox fillers. And for a younger person, it's more glamorizing. So the way that we do them is also different. It's not like filling up or anything. It's always like a contour and more glamorizing. Even for young brides, sometimes they just want a little bit of a lip pout before the wedding. And you can't tell, but it's just a little point here on the, you know, just put 3-4 points here, and it just looks so much more attractive, especially people who have thin lips. But so for older people, so we'll do a Thermage, we'll do a treatment, Exilis. We'll combine our new Ina collagen treatment. Then we do something called Ina Renew, where we combine micro needling with the radio frequency like Thermage. So it's a combination, and your skin just glows immediately. It's really nice. So, you know, there's 2-3 things, Thermage, Exilis, this new Ina Renew treatment that we have, and then combine them all together, and it gives a nice non-surgical facelift and no downtime. You just walk out, you look just nice and refreshed and years younger, and the result keeps getting better with time.
That's the best part, no downtime, because staying indoors these many days, the downtime people don't like generally. They don't, you know, now everybody wants the quick fix. They don't want to be waiting for.
Everybody wants quick fixes. Nobody has the patience for, and also non-invasive, and non-surgical and no downtime quick fixes, and that's what we specialize in. So I think that's a good thing.
Yes.
But we are waiting to get you to come over again. Now you must come and visit us, Anu.
I will. Hopefully very soon I will come. And also there is a question from Sona Bharti. She's asking skincare treatment for people who have PCOD.
Yeah, so PCOD needs to be addressed after getting we get all your hormonal tests done to figure out what is the problem, how it's impacting you, whether you have acne, you have weight gain, you have stretch marks, or you have, or excessive hair growth. A lot of people have excessive hair growth with PCOD. So then you are the concerns depending on the treatments, and we don't give very over aggressive medication to people. We don't believe in that. So we treat you a little more holistically, and you always see nice results. So treat your acne with some supplements, and again with a combination of all our treatments that we do with the medical facial. So we decide this, it's all like a mix and match, and maybe some
when we go for the
also dietary we add along with it.
And when someone has a PCOD and they go for the hair removal, does it work, or it distract with the hormonal imbalance already happening in the body?
No, it works very well. It's just that you've got to know the energies of the laser to give, how to treat the, in fact, a lot of times when people come to us, we start right away because the treatment remains the same. You don't want to lose time, but you treat the PCOD alongside. You might need little more sessions, but you treat the PCOD alongside the hair, because just treating PCOD will not help the hair growth. But if you're treating the hair growth and you treat the PCOD, you've treated both of them.
Also, I want to ask you, there's lots of, brides, they have these deep lines here. And how safe it is for a young girl to take the fillers?
Oh, it's very safe. I had an 18-year-old kid the other day who came and I was quite surprised. I said,
really?
Do you do fillers, doc? And I said, yeah, but I don't normally do 18-year-olds. But it's safe. Like this, if you do it in trained hands, it's very safe. You can do fillers 100 times in your life. There's no harm if you do hyaluronic acid fillers, which we
and
do.
If the bride was only for
to be done in safe hands with the trained person, and there's no harm. But again, you don't need to put a filler here, because it's not going to make a difference. You put a filler here because this lifts and this gives you a glamorous look also.
Yes,
and it will contour you and it will lift both. So if you put only here, you can't see the difference. It looks like a monkey face because you want to have folds. You don't want to, do away with folds. So that's the thing. So there's so many myths about with, so we are very medically sound, but very luxurious. So that's our strength. I think medical luxury space is what we would define.
It is. Yeah. And are you taking virtual consultation right now?
All the time, yes. We do a virtual. I've just done a virtual consultation about 1 hour back. We are pandemic was full of virtual consultations. We would do 4-5 every day.
Okay, that's a good thing that people who are not from Delhi, you can take the virtual.
Oh yeah, we've treated people from Kolkata, from Doon, from Jaipur, everywhere, even overseas.
Yeah, okay. That's really amazing. And any question, if anybody has it, let me see. This was.
What makeup brand do you recommend for doing your foundation and all, Anu?
That depends on the skin. I have a different as per the skin, if someone has an oily skin, I have different kind of foundation, more water-based foundation. Then I will use oily skin, I'll use more water-based like the Dior Backstage. If someone is, this Dior Backstage foundation, if someone has really, they don't want too much, they have really good skin, then I use NARS tinted moisturizer because they have good skin. We don't need too much coverage on that. So it all depends. I really like, for mature skin, I like Armani Silk Foundation, which is really good. And also Bobbi Brown has a serum foundation for anti-aging and glowing that I like. But mainly it depends on the skin type, what skin type you are.
So where do you get these Armani Silk and the Bobbi Brown? Are they available in India?
They are not available in India, but we have lots of suppliers. These young girls, makeup artists, they travel abroad, they get the stock. So we have the suppliers. I have lots of number. If anytime you want to buy, they will come. their bag full of the makeup and you choose your makeup with them.
Oh,
They
how wonderful.
also your color and all. I have lots of them. But I mainly travel abroad and I pick up my whole stock for next 6 months or a year. I'm used to doing that. So this is
Oh,
what,
very nice.
yeah.
Oh,
And I mix and like concealers and all. I mix my own colors and create the concealers. You know, that works best for me. I don't use generally product
oh,
from you. So I have to make something for you. Yes, I have to do your concealer. I'll make for you and
I'm,
get it.
I'm coming. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so Kanishka is asking, I'm having spots on legs since childhood. So is it possible to be treated?
Yes, everything is possible to be treated. You have to
Yeah.
find out why you have spots. You possibly got ingrowing hair from your ingrowing hair. So you possibly need laser reduction, or maybe you need a peel, or maybe you just need some cream to take care of the spots. So sometimes there is a, like a post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. You get a acne or something, and that results in a spot later. Somebody says, please suggest a good drugstore vitamin C serum currently using Sesderma. Why would you? So another good thing is something called, oh God, I forget, Derma Glow. Derma Glow is a new, one of the people on the group will tell me.
Oh,
Lip,
okay.
Preeti, yes, lip fillers are safe if they are done with the right person, with a trained person who understands that it should not look like a lip filler is done.
Absolutely. That's so important.
If a treatment looks like it's done, there's no point doing it. But it must make you look so beautiful that people must say, wow, she looks amazing. That's
Yeah.
the key.
Yeah. Like the makeup is not like looking like makeup. For me,
No.
it should, okay, you're looking beautiful. It's not like makeup making you look beautiful. So
Also,
same
the name,
also.
name of the cream that you are, the vitamin C is Derma Wow. One of the doctors, Dr. Sonal just told me because I couldn't remember the name. It's called Derma Wow.
Derma
It's
Wow. I'm also taking it because I always look for the vitamin C serum.
vitamin C.
Also,
Yes.
Dr. Singh's Clinic has some of the amazing product to buy. I like, a really good sunscreens, which is not available easily. And
So
you,
some sunscreens are, we use Istin water, fusion water,
yes,
ISD, Fusion
I
waters.
it's 50 SPF and it's so thin on your skin.
So
It
thin
doesn't,
on your.
yeah, it's very, very thin and very, generally sunscreen becomes very sticky, but this one is really
Very,
good.
very nice. And then the other, what other creams did you? So somebody said, is it better than Sesderma? It's not better. It's similar, but the advantage is it has hyaluronic acid in it. So it's also a little bit of a moisturizer as opposed to being a serum, sticky serum alone. Dermava. Dermava comes with hyaluronic acid.
So also Preeti is asking, is there any contouring treatment
Oh yeah.
for
Okay. Lots of contouring treatments. Thamaj, Exilis, fillers are Aina Renew is a new treatment we've started, also very good for contouring of younger skin. So yes, lots of contouring treatments to give you a nice sharp jawline.
Dr. Surbhi Subhangi Gipekar is asking which PRP kit in India is good, ma'am, as my sister gynecologist wants to start the genital area.
Wow. Okay. Which PRP kit? We were using the Regent kit. Regent kit is what we've typically always used. Regent. Good moisturizer for dry skin. Oh, there are lots of nice moisturizers. There's something which comes from Avene has a good moisturizer. Then we've got Corneo Hydro Shield is a good moisturizer. There is a dearth of good moisturizers, I think, available in the dermaceutical space.
Yeah, there are, like, according to
we're now trying to get more products into the country and sort of get something of our own, because we're quite used to, we know what works best. So
this is the best about lockdown, because you are developing your own thing, because you can't be depending on the product getting from abroad, right?
yeah, I think we have to do that.
Yeah,
but let's hope that it doesn't. At the moment things are not looking good, but let's feel positive, and it'll pass as soon as it's come. So let's hope next 2-3 months. So I think everybody needs to stay safe.
Absolutely.
And take care.
Yeah, it was great session. I think anybody has the question. I think all of them has. Is any more drugstore vitamin C serum little pocket friendly?
Yeah, the Derma Wow is quite pocket friendly.
Okay. So Derma Wow it is. I've also taken a note of Derma. I was using SkinCeutical. I had no stock, so I started using Cess Derma. So which I'm happy with. Cess Derma is good, available easily.
We've got another very good one which I'm going to send you. That's come from America. It's a fabulous one, so I want you to try it. Really good.
Okay.
Tomorrow I'll get somebody to send it across to you soon.
Super.
Okay.
So, any question anybody has, please ask. You can DM to Dr. Simal also, or you can DM to me also, makeup related and skin related. We have the expert in front of you. And anything you want to, Dr. Simal, anything we left with?
No, we are good. We're all good, I think. Thank
Yeah.
you for a lovely session, Anu, and thank you for joining me and for having us together. We should do this off and on, sometimes on a particular topic.
Yeah.
I think the next time we'll get our people to answer all the makeup queries.
Yes.
So I think what happens is with the treatments we do, so you contour with makeup. So if you already have a nice contoured face, won't your makeup be easier? Or will it look even more contoured?
It makes it easier. So we don't bother about the contouring because the face is generally models, they have such beautiful contour face.
Correct,
so,
correct.
We just use very less product because models are models because they have good skin and they have good sculpted face. So you don't need much contouring there. So we don't concentrate on contouring much. We will just do the blush, we highlight the cheeks, we make the beautiful skin. So you make our life easier by doing the contour.
But I want to also tell you one of the things that I did mention, that for the anti-aging, a lot of our focus is on trying to reduce the squaring of faces. Because as you get older, remember I told you, your faces become square. So as you're younger, they are V. So the idea is with all the anti-aging treatments to do treatments that will take away the A look to the V look back. So to reduce the squaring again. So that's really what it's good for.
And something, the last I want to ask you quickly, something really important as the home care. Okay, they come to you once a month or they take the session. Something to maintain that. What is important?
No, so older people, even younger people, good anti-aging cream is important. A good moisturizer, a good face wash, a sunscreen, and a probiotic. There are a lot of now probiotic creams which protect against the elements of the environment, and a vitamin C. And then, there are lots of other things which are there now because hyaluronic acid is good because it's an anti-aging product. So this is a very basic skincare, like a vitamin C, hyaluronic acid with good moisturizer, a sunscreen, and a face wash. Maybe an oatmeal face wash if you have dry skin, or maybe like a glycolic acid face wash if you have oily skin, or one of the, so depends on what your concerns are. And this and a good anti-aging cream, I believe, could be, you can use retinol, you can use coenzyme Q. There are so many new ingredients now in all the anti-aging creams that you can actually, and then also combine, if you need your texture improved, then sometimes we just recommend a product like Sleep and Peel, for example, which has alpha and beta hydroxy acid combinations. So that's and you should start anti-aging,
as soon as when one should start anti-aging.
So you should start it in your late 20s if you want to be preventative, because you start getting, lines become more prominent and this area becomes more prominent.
5 years onwards, you should start, right?
28 onwards, I would think.
20.
Yeah, 20.
Okay. So I'm just typing your numbers, the people who want to contact you.
Okay.
What number I should put there for your clinic?
I think I'm just going to ask.
If someone from your team can type the numbers here, please.
Rahul, can you please type the numbers? Somebody needs to type the numbers, I think. I don't know how to get
because I'm going to save this chat. And so people who are looking forward, they can just, they want to take appointment, they can come and see you. So there will be number saved.
Can somebody put the numbers of, I think put Jyoti's and Rashmi's numbers there.
Yeah.
Maybe I should just type it.
You had a hectic day today?
I had a nice day. All my days are quite nice generally.
Busy is happy actually for me also.
Rashmi, I'm just putting down numbers. Just give 1 second. I'm not very. Oh, there. So okay. So Nishant has put a number, and there's one number there.
Yeah, Nishant has put the number. But Nishant, you have not messaged that this is Dr. Soin's number. Just message it again. Just type it again. And this is
Also, Nishan,
Lily.
can you put Rashmi? That was Jyoti's number. Put Rashmi's and Jyoti's both there and say Aina Clinic.
Aina Clinic. Yeah, mention that. Yeah.
She said, please save this live. Somebody said, so I need to also know how to do this now.
I have become a pro. I was absolutely zero doing this all live. First, I did some goof ups in the beginning, but
Did you?
now I know how to do it. Lockdown has taught us lots of new things.
I'm just putting down Rashmi's number. Just I think Nishan must have put it, Rashmi. Just 1 minute. Yeah.
Richa. Monica, do you have virtual appointment? Yes, Monica, Dr. Simal has the virtual appointment. We just spoke about it. So we are putting the number in the chat. You can take down the number and you can fix up your appointment. Where can we find Dermabow serum? I tried searching it online, can't find it. I think from the drugstores. You should find it from the drugstores.
Find it from the drugstores, and you can. Okay, I put Aina Rashmi's number here, and I'm putting Aina Jyoti's number here.
Yeah, super.
Oh, Jyoti's number. Niti's already put. Jyoti Aina Clinic. So we've got 2 numbers.
There are a couple of numbers. Whoever is there joined us. Thank you, everyone who has joined us. And
thank you so much, Anu.
And thank you, Dr. Simal. It was lovely to
so much.
Look live session and talk about more
yes, look forward to. Bye. Thank you ever so much. Such a pleasure to be with you. Bye. See you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. So sweet.